How to play Roblox on a school Chromebook without now.gg. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, you will have to type coursera.gq and it should be in your address bar. Just simply type it up and hit enter. And it's okay if even if you are using it without the HTTPS. After that, you have to just type roblox.com in the address bar. Make sure that it is the bottom one. So just type roblox and .com and then just hit enter. And after that, you just have to wait for it to load and complete its loading. After a while, this is how it will appear. Now you can just simply give up your details and sign up, or you can also sign up using your already existing account, and this way you would be able to play Roblox. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.